Grab your wellness notebook so that you can take notes. Make sure that you always have your water to stay hydrated. And let's meet Miss. Welcome back to another episode of the Massage Expert Wellness Lab. Products, y'all. Who's that knocking at my door? Massage expert for that sore. Who's that knocking at my door? Amy Essential Products, y'all.
Hi.
Hey, Nicole, how you doing today?
I'm good, and you?
Excellent. So before we begin, how are you feeling right now? Any emotions that you're feeling?
Dehydrated. When you mentioned stay hydrated, I went to grab my bottle real quick.
So tell me a little bit about yourself, Nicole. Tell me, my viewers, what we need to know about you and your business.
My name's Nicole. I go by Massage by Nikki on Instagram, and I graduated from NHI, which is the National Holistic Institute for Massage in California, in 2012. I did the first program, which was the core program. They showed you Eastern and Western medicine. And then I graduated from that program in 2011 and decided I wanted to further my education in injuries and pain management, things like that. So I decided to take the neuromuscular program from the same school and graduated with the certification in L.M.B.T, which is a neuromuscular therapist, which allowed me to work for chiropractors for about 8 years. Up until last May, I decided to venture off on my own and create my own practice, basically, and doing mobile. Considering the coronavirus, I wasn't able to have a spot. So that's just kind of like a little tidbit of me, my education in massage.
Very interesting to know. I didn't know that you actually worked at a chiropractic office for that long, because I actually worked at a chiropractic office, and that kind of got me interested in medical massage. So
yes,
it's kind of good that we kind of have that same background. So what is your perception of massage and bodywork with the coronavirus pandemic or outbreak going on?
In the beginning, it was just a complete shock. The only reason why I was still working was because I was at a chiropractic office. So in that medical setting, we actually were still okay to be doing massages. If you were massaging on your own, you were not allowed to do massage at all. You had to completely stop. Where I'm from LA, California. I don't know if I mentioned that. And everybody had to completely stop. So I had a lot of friends who were just freaking out because, you know, with the pandemic, you're supposed to stay 6 feet away. And how can you stay 6 feet away when you're massaging somebody? So that was something that I was blessed, and I was lucky that I did not have to experience that in the beginning when they shut us down in March of 2020. I was still working at the chiropractic office, so I was able to do my massage on the chiropractic patients at that office. It wasn't until May that I decided that I wanted to do it on my own, when everything was a little more, it wasn't as strict. We were still able to practice, but the restrictions were a little softer, I would say. We can practice on the outside, so people's houses outside. So that's where I kind of started to kind of build up my clientele, doing it outside with a mask, a face shield, the whole 9 yards, disinfectant, everything you could think of, gloves, which I did not like, but for some people they rather have that than nothing. So it worked out for me in that May-June time frame, I think.
It's good to hear, and I'm glad that you do follow the guidelines, follow the safety protocols by wearing your mask, making sure that you do disinfect all your tables, equipment, sheets, and also wearing the gloves if the clients do request it. Clients or people who are interested in massage therapists, do let us know what kind of precautions that you want us to do to make sure that you do feel comfortable getting massage and bodywork services. And if you do request gloves, I do have gloves, and massage therapists should have gloves. So that's a little bit of tip for you guys.
Hey, massage expert, I do have another question. What does massage and bodywork mean?
That's a hard question. To me, means the manipulation of the soft tissues, which means that we lift up the muscles, the skin, and do some type of movement to it to release some of the toxins or negative energy.